rare find I found at the local bookstore sale. 150 bahts, that equates to around 450 USD. So this is the Yongjung Mofang YJ Diamond Cube. It has been discontinued for many years now, as a bunch of googling did me. So usually it would come in 3 colors. I got the pink one, but it shows as purple. So yeah, this looks like a very rare cube. I could not find any listings of it online, so I must assume this cube was very old and has been out of production for several years now. And I just found it for 450 USD. God knows. Imagine how many collectors are willing to buy this for more than $4.50. From looks at it, it looks like a 3x3 shake mod, as far as I am concerned. Oops. Stretch the press down a bit. Looks like this was was released at least in 2014. So there's that. It's been 10 years now, since 2014. Damn. You all old yet, guys? Let's just open this damn thing. This was when Moyu and Yongjung was still together, until they separated their ways. Enough yapping. Here we go. So we have this little stand for the diamond. Looks at it. Kinda looks like a 3x3 shape mod, yeah. So these are the centers. Yeah, we have centers here. So basically it should function as a regular 3x3 with a bit of offset to it. Just doing a T-perm on this. It feels like a 2014 cube, if you know what I mean. This corner is barely existent. Yeah. Give me a sec. There we go. That took a while, but overall, yeah, it's a really nice collection item. I would recommend getting it if you can get your hands on it. To this day, honestly, I don't know how you can get your hands on one of these, but yeah, it's a nice gem. Literally a nice gem. Yep, that's about it. See you later.